Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on BigBear.ai just several days ago, to be precise, on November 29th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.34. And at this point, my main assumption was that we still have this green rectangle as a potential price target for the bottom of the WXY correction, as long as this top holds and this top holds as well. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset lost about 10% of its value, and it is moving towards this price target. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, and if you want to know all my trades pretty much on a real-time basis, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what was the reason of this movement to the downside, what was the result of the shareholders meeting, and what other catalysts might be implemented to the analysis in order to identify its next potential trend. And guys, let's begin with the general sentiment related to BigBear.ai stock, and to do so, just type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to new stock folder. You will see several recent news, and a couple of them grabs my attention. First of all, it is the result of the shareholders meeting, and as you can see, BigBear.ai shareholders approve higher authorized shares and by law update. And on top of this information, guys, that BigBear.ai board of directors can drastically increase the number of shares. And don't be confused, it is not the real-time dilutional process. It is just a permission to add about 500 million shares to their current share flow, which will be spent on the potential growth of the company, like mergers and acquisitions and some kind of other stuff. And on top of that, let me show you another news from the same source. Here is the important part. The adjournment proposal also passed, and the meeting was formally adjourned with respect to the share increase proposal until December the 5th of 2025 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, when it will reconvene virtually. In parallel, the board approved amended and restated bylaws, signaling an update to the company's governance framework and with details provided in the attached bylaws exhibit. Which means, guys, we have another deadline that is set for December the 5th, this Friday. and it might be also quite interesting price action around these dates. On top of that, let me show you this. The most recent catalysts are these ones. First of all, aerospace partnership buzz. Recent chatter on X about BigBear.ai Holdings as centered on its new partnership with aerospace leaders in Malaysia's Pahang Aerospace City. Many users are intrigued by how this could expand the company's AI technology reach. The stock has seen notable gains, with some pointing to this deal as a key driver. Earnings and acquisitions. And guys, you know that just recently they acquired another company, AskSage, for broader defense market access and to improve their cash flow. On top of that, the main concern is still the number of shares. And let me show you that previously, if we take a look at financials of this company, in the income statement, you can see these numbers, diluted shares outstanding, and it is a consistent, you can see a consistent growth in this number for the last several years. And for now, they have a little bit less than 500 million shares, and this number for now will be doubled within the foreseeable future. Definitely, it is not an immediate dilutional process, but the dilution is still on the table. That is why, guys, be cautious with your positions on BigBear.ai, but we have a very good potential movements. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As I mentioned, as long as this top holds at $6.5, we have this green rectangle as the price target for the bottom of its the closest, I would say, price action. And in general, let's zoom out to hourly time frame. In general, this will be the confluence with this bottom that this company established on September the 10th. And by the way, guys, I caught this bottom to the tick, and I told you that from this point it has to reach the $9.36 price target. And I made two calls. One of them was made at around $5 or $4.5, and the second call was made at this point, at the price of about $6.55. And these two calls was 100% successful, and I also predicted its movement to the downside. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So guys, why I think that this asset will hit about 4.6 or levels slightly below $5 mark? Because we have an WXY correction. It is not an ABC, because we have X wave in the shape of 5-wave structure, but then we had a breakout below this bottom, and this pretty much confirmed that we have to have the Y wave in the shape of 3-wave structure, not 5 waves like C wave. That is why, guys, we already formed one. This is a wave 2, and if it is a wave 2, we have to have one more leg to the downside that will land right here. And for now, it is the only level that we should pay our attention to, because from this level, one way or another, this asset might have a reaction. And depending on the reaction, I will do another update and I will show you in which direction this asset might go, because I prefer to see the structure, not the levels, not of the levels only, but the structure of this asset as well. And guys, another quite bullish news you will see if you zoom out even further. If you connect these several bottoms, which were the crucial pivotal points for this stock, if I turn off all the tools, you can see that for now this asset is hovering around this range. Let me zoom in again to hourly time frame. This is the sloping line, and it had an attempt to break it to the downside, but this attempt failed. And the closest price action that will confirm this movement to the downside is the breakout below this sloping line. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only